1975 Camaro. Not sure if it's an LT. We think it is. It's missing the emblems. We're gonna do a little update on the 75 Camaro. What's today? March the 9th, I believe, 2019. This car, you'll see more videos of it coming. Where's that emblem? There it is. Anyway, so we pop the hood. Hood releases on these are down underneath. Right down there. We got the original 350. Been rebuilt. And we did a little bit of painting last summer. Haven't done a thing on the car since then. We fixed the header panel. It's not perfect, but it was cheap to fix. A little bit of fiberglass and some matting. Anyway, we got some, we got to pull the glass out of it. Is that a crack?
Yeah, that's been there.
No, that was there?
Yeah.
We got to pull the windshield and the rear window because they're leaking. But anyway, and we got to do some floor work. Otherwise, the frame is really good on it. This is a 4-speed car. It's not a Muncie, it's a Saginaw, unfortunately, but it works good. It does have a tack. We got the interior pretty much stripped out of it.
We were thinking it was rolled one time because they banged the roof out.
Yeah, we think this car might have been rolled because the roof has been pounded back out again.
See the old body?
You can really see it on this side, and then also underneath you can see all the hammer marks up in there. It might have been rolled, but it couldn't have been that bad.
We painted that piece.
Yeah, we had that piece out. Put the spoiler on it. Looks better with the spoiler for sure.
Remember we cleaned out the tail lights and all the dirt that was in there.
Anyway, this will be just another project we're working on this summer. Get a little more done on it. We got all the floor pans for it. Other than that, the frame is really good. And the unibody up underneath is really good. No problems in there. Anyway, Kyle will take it for a little spin. It did come with the original optional tachometer, as you can see. It's got the full gauges.
It just doesn't have oil pressure.
Oh, it does not have the oil pressure, which is unusual. We'll take the clock out and put an oil pressure gauge in there. Clocks are useless. Anyway, take her for a little spin, Kyle.
Pretty useless in the snow.
Yeah, she doesn't do good in snow. What do you think, Cosmo? What do you think? It's a nice day, huh? We'll get rid of some of this snow. Huh? Good boy. Here he comes. Yeah, it's gonna be a fun car. Good looking car, these Camaros. I'd say the second best looking Camaros. My favorite was the 67 to 69. But after they changed that body style, after 81, 82's, I don't like the lines on an 82. And then they got really bad up in the 90s, I think, or 2000. Now they look good now. When they brought them back in 2010, they actually fixed the problem. Puts the Mustangs to shame. Then again, that's why we're BigSky Chevy guys. We're not BigSky Ford guys, because we like the good stuff. Right, Cosmo? Here he comes again. One more little round from the other side. Oh, he's still got his glove sitting on top. Beautiful day today. We got lots to do. Well, so we'll wait till we get some more done.
You gonna drive away one more time?
Sure, why not? Well, there he's off to the races. Anyway, friends, bye for now. See you on the next one.